my channel. For today's video, join me to make crispy cabbage roll. So let's go and prepare. Hey. So let's go, guys, and prepare all the ingredients that I'm gonna need to make the crispy cabbage roll. So I have here number one ingredients is meat. So I got here meat. I already put this down in the refrigerator. It was frozen. Then I put down. Let's put here another here. So I have already Chinese bok choy. I'm gonna use this for the roll. So I have here three. We got here. Oops. So I think this is special. I have got carrots. Bell pepper. So let's not forget the onion and garlic. As always, it's always present. Onion and garlic. So I'm gonna use a little garlic for that because I'm going to, onion and garlic. So let's go. Usually, when we cook, we put first the garlic, onion, wash it well when we cook. Okay, the onion and the garlic. Wait until the garlic gets brown and cooked. Okay. It looks like the garlic is cooked. Then we put the onion. So guys, today I'm going to talk over my video. I'm not going to remove my voice. Okay. Then mostly guys, some people, if they're gonna cook, they're not going to saute the bell pepper. Mostly Most of the time, I cook and saute the bell pepper together with the onion and the garlic. That's what I've been doing because I want the juice from the bell pepper to get out while I am sauteing all the raw ingredients like this. So let me saute this. Okay, I'm going to put a little magic sarap, guys. So just like this. Okay, just sprinkle. Maybe I didn't count to how many granules I put there, but it's just a little bit, just to taste. So I have here, because my daughter suggested to put a little black pepper. I got here black pepper, a little. Okay. So take the garlic and onion and the bell pepper, then put a little magic sarap on it, then a little black pepper. Sauteed everything, so that's tasty already, guys. See? So it smells so good. So it's time for me to put this one. So mostly, I cook like this before. Spaghetti roll. When my husband was here, I cooked like this, but we're using the processed hot dog and the siomai. So now I'm using the fresh one, real pork and real vegetables. Yeah, of course we used vegetable also before, but we didn't use meat. We used hot dog and that siomai, the processed food. So this time I'm not using the processed food, guys. I'm using the real food. Okay. So let me saute this brown pork. So this is a kind of special. You know, if my husband is watching this, I know he's gonna fly over and taste this because he knows this is his favorite. And this is my first time using pork. And guess what? I'm using a little bit, a little fewer. A little fewer. Okay. Let's let the ground pork cook. Okay. So before that, while waiting, I need to put a tablespoon of soy sauce on it. It should be salt, but I want a little colorful color from the ingredients that I'm gonna make this time. Okay. So let's wait until the ground pork will cook. Then it's time for us to put the vegetables. Okay. Stir it again. I'll mix it again. So the smell is so good. This is my first time, guys, really for real. First time using meat, real meat, for my cabbage roll. Okay, I wanna try. So I wish my husband is here. He can taste this. You know, this is yummy, real yummy, and he knows it's yummy. So I'm going to cook this well. Then put this. Oh my God! Oh, it's all ground pepper. Then we need to mix it again. Then I think it's time for us to put the vegetables. See, I see, guys, the main ingredients. Let's hold. Oh, it's all dry. So I think I don't need to put something. Then let's put the carrots. A lot. put the carrot. Colorful. Let's put the carrot. Then, let's put also this brown cabbage. I ground this too. Or I grind this too. So it will look all the same. See? It's a little bit many. So of course guys, I'm not gonna put all of this in one time only. I need to divide this into two, then put rice on it. Making cabbage roll is very easy. It's like, it looks like you're making fried rice, but there are a lot of ingredients. It's a healthy, friendly meal, because carrots is only 10 pesos. I only bought one. Then cabbage, 100 pesos per kilo. I only bought half kilo of it. But I didn't put anything. I only used, a few leaves, the cabbage or the choy. Then I ground it. So it looks so many. So that's very friendly meal, guys. So let's wait until the ingredients will cook. Okay. Let's mix again. Smells good. Okay. So I like this way, guys, because it's dry. So I don't need to worry about the juice, because I didn't put anything, but I just cook with the juice of this ingredients. Tastes so good. Okay, it's almost cooked. It's almost cooked. And now I'm gonna prepare the rice. Okay. So I'm just going to put the rice here, not many, because I'm just going to divide that into two. So I can preserve the half of it, then I can make another cabbage roll the next day, Okay, let's prepare the rice. Okay guys, let me put some of the cooked vegetables or some of the filling for the cabbage roll here. So I'm not gonna put everything. This is a mini already. Okay, I'm going to put rice in it. Okay guys, so I have here cooled rice earlier. I need to put that. And I cook more rice. Actually guys, very easy to make cabbage roll, really, for real. It's very delicious. I can make maybe 20 of this. I'm not gonna put everything, I think. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see how it works. How it works well in this little pan. So I just use a little pan here. I think I need to put everything. I don't know. Then just divide it. Because only me and Nadine here and Jairo. So this is a lot for us already. This one. So the other one I can make that by another day, I can make that the next day. Or in the morning, Okay. I don't know. We'll see. So I think I need to put a little salt again. Salt. Just little salt, guys. To taste. Add a little. Okay. Okay. Let's mix it. We'll see, guys, because I think I can make a lot of this already. Whoa, it's hot. Okay. Very simple recipe, but with a lot of work. But it's worth it too. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. No need to fry more for that because that's already cooked and already done. So while waiting, I'm going to let this mixed filling to cool. Then I'm going to boil the leaves. Okay. So wait for it. So I got here a casserole. I'm going to put water and I'm going to boil the. Let's boil the leaves here. So let's boil water. Okay. Let's wait until that water will boil. Then let's put some of the leaves. I got a lot of bok choy leaves here. Then I'm just going to put the half of it. Then I can roll something for you all. Let's wait. For us to wrap. So don't worry, guys, because I've been washing my hand every minute. So let's start wrapping. Okay, I have here the feeling good. So let's see. I just put a little. I think it's nice if you're going to put 2 tablespoons. We'll see. It depends on the leaves, guys. Okay, so look at that. How we're gonna do that? Okay. So anyway, Nadine is chopping another onion and garlic because I'm going to make gravy. So I asked her to chop some onion and garlic. Okay, just wrap like this. Very simple, guys. But me, I need to study more or learn how to wrap it good. Okay, so wrap this way only. Very simple. I know everybody knows how to wrap that. Okay, so look at that. How beautiful is that? So let's wrap together. Okay. Row. Who wants to eat the vegetables already?
Pang rabbit din, oh.
Pang rabbit. Oh my. He said this is good for the rabbit. I'm still making. Now it's time for us to fry. Okay. Fry. So I'm gonna use this one, guys. I'm gonna use this one. So I want to put, I think, all them all together. So I made this. Yoo-hoo! Delicious, baby. Oil, not much oil, just enough. Just enough oil. Okay. Okay, let's put. So I made 12 for now. Then you cannot cook this. Delicious. Yummy. Okay. Let's try to make it. So that's why, guys, I call this crispy cabbage roll. Because it's only fried, crispy. So look at that. How beautiful is that? So you know what? Here in our province, I don't know if people are going to bite this, you know? I think If I'm gonna try this in cities, yeah, I can sell this. You know, it's very affordable and it's very yummy also. It's just I'm gonna try one day to make like business. Okay. I'm practicing. Okay, this time we're gonna make gravy. Oh, wait lang. Gravy. Sweet and sour gravy, guys, because I forget really what my husband taught me about the sauce of this dish or menu. Okay. Of course, the ingredients of what do you call this gravy is just very simple, guys, but it depends on how you're going to cook the gravy. May I have my own version? So let's do it. So of course, at first we need to put the oil. I already put the oil. Then let's put also this one. Okay, the onion and garlic. Actually, Jair is already hungry. So again, my version of making the gravy, guys. Then 1 tablespoon of flour diluted to the water, then put it. Okay, so that's it, guys, how to make the gravy. Okay. Okay, I have here, I don't have sugar. So let's put 1 tablespoon of sugar. So actually I don't have sugar anymore. So this one, what is in here? Let's put it. Okay. Then let's put what makes the gravy color brown or something? It's a soy sauce, guys, and a flour. Okay. Let's put soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay. See, 1 tablespoon of flour is very sticky already. The dough is already oh, hungry. Tastes good. Then flour vinegar. Add salt. It tastes good. So I need to put a little more water because it's very sticky, guys. But actually I like this way, sticky. So I made like this because I forget the real sauce of this kind of food. So that's why I think I need to make gravy. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Very simple, guys, too.
Milo,
Huh?
Sige na di ay.